Imagine walking into a grocery store with a $100 bill. Usually that buys a cart full of food, but in an economic collapse, that same $100 might only buy you a single loaf of bread. Or worse, the store owner might not want your paper money at all. When the economy breaks, the rules of what is valuable change overnight. Most people are chasing gold or stocks, but they're missing the hidden gems sitting right under their noses. Today, I'm going to reveal the undervalued purchases that are cheap today, but become priceless when the system fails. I'm going to break this down explained like you're 5, so you can protect your family without needing a finance degree.
To understand what to buy, we have to understand the problem. Think of the economy like a giant game of musical chairs. Right now, the music is playing, and everyone is trading paper money for things they want. But during hyperinflation or a financial crisis, the music stops. Suddenly, everyone realizes they can't eat paper. They can't stay warm with a digital bank balance. This is when the barter economy takes over. In a barter economy, an item is only worth what it can do for someone. That $50,000 sports car in your driveway, it's useless if there's no gasoline. But a $5 box of heirloom seeds, that's a lifesaver. We are looking for high utility assets, things that solve a basic human problem.
Let's look at 3 specific things you should be buying right now while they are still cheap. Seeds and soil. In a collapse, food is the new gold. But don't just buy canned beans, buy the ability to make food. A packet of tomato or potato seeds is a money factory. It's an undervalued purchase because right now, people treat gardening as a hobby. In a collapse, it's a career. Small comforts, the barter kings. Think about things like lighters, salt, and coffee. These are low-cost, high-trade items. You can buy a pack of 50 lighters for very little today. If the power goes out for a month, one of those lighters could be traded for a gallon of fuel or a week's worth of medicine. Hygiene and first aid. When the system stops, stores don't get restocked. Soap, antibiotics, and water filters become valuable assets because they prevent the one thing that kills more people than hunger: disease. You don't need to be a millionaire to prepare for an economic downturn. You just need to shift your mindset. Instead of putting all your savings into a digital account that could be frozen or devalued, start physical saving. Every time you go to the store, buy one extra forever item. This is a survival strategy. Build a deep pantry. By slowly accumulating these undervalued items now, you are essentially locking in today's prices. If a gallon of bleach costs $3 today and $300 during a collapse, you just made a massive return on your investment. The goal isn't to live in fear, it's to live in readiness. When you own items that people actually need to survive, you aren't just surviving, you are positioned to help your community. True wealth isn't about how many zeros are in your bank account. It's about your ability to provide for yourself and your family when the world gets unpredictable. Start small, stay consistent, and focus on utility. Which of these items do you think is the most overlooked? Let me know in the comments.